The foundation of data retrieval in relational databases is the SQL SELECT statement. This statement is the cornerstone for querying data from your database. It allows you to specify exactly what data you want to retrieve and how you want it presented. The basic syntax of a SELECT statement involves the SELECT keyword, followed by a list of column names that you want to retrieve. Next is the FROM keyword, and this is followed by the table name where these columns exist. Lastly, there is an optional where clause, which is used to filter the results based on specific conditions. For example, the SELECT statement specifies which columns from a table that you want to retrieve. The FROM statement identifies which table in the database you are querying from. And finally, the WHERE statement, which is optional, filters the records based on the conditions that you specify. To select all columns from a table, you can use the asterisk symbol. After the SELECT keyword, simply write an asterisk, followed by the FROM keyword and the name of the table. The asterisk is a wildcard that tells the database to retrieve all columns from the specified table. This is particularly useful when you need to see all available data within a table. As shown in the table, the employee table with columns like ID, first name, last name, department, and salary are all displayed when using the asterisk symbol. Instead of selecting all columns, you can explicitly name the columns that you want to retrieve. After the SELECT keyword, list the column names, separated by commas, followed by the FROM keyword and the table name. This allows you to focus on only the relevant data, which improves the query performance by reducing the amount of data that needs to be processed and transferred. It also reduces network traffic and ensures that you are only working with the data that is important for your task. For example, you can select only the first name, last name, and department columns from the employees table, as shown here. The WHERE clause allows you to filter rows based on a specified condition. Only the rows that meet the condition are included in the results set. After the WHERE keyword, specify the column followed by an operator, and then the value to compare against. For example, to select employees from the engineering department, the query would be select first name, last name, and salary from employees where department equals engineering. Similarly, to select employees with a salary greater than 80,000, the query would be select first name, last name, and department from employees where salary is greater than 80,000. There are several operators available, including equals, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. To create more complex filters, you can combine multiple conditions using the and or operators. The and operator returns rows that satisfy both conditions. All conditions must be true for a row to be included in the results. The or operator, on the other hand, returns rows that satisfy either condition. If any condition is true, the row is included in the results. When combining the and or operators, it is important to use parentheses to control the order of evaluation, especially in complex conditions. For example, when using the and operator, select first name, last name, and salary from employees where department equals engineering and salary is greater than 80,000, this would return only engineers with salary greater than 80,000. Alternatively, using the or operator, select first name, last name, and department from employees where department equals engineering or department equals finance. This will return all employees who work in either the engineering or finance departments. The order by clause sorts the results set based on specified columns, in either ascending or descending order. By default, the order by clause sorts in ascending order. To sort in descending order, you must specify the desk keyword. You can also sort by multiple columns, in which case the sorting is performed in the order that the columns are listed. For example, select first name, last name, and salary from employees, order by salary ascending. The arrow indicates lowest to highest. Alternatively, select first name, last name, salary from employees, order by salary descending. The arrow indicates highest to lowest. The limit clause restricts the number of rows returned by a query. This is useful for retrieving only the top-end records, implementing pagination in applications, improving query performance, and previewing data without loading entire tables. To use the limit clause, specify the maximum number of rows to return after the limit keyword. You can also use the offset keyword to specify how many rows to skip before starting to return rows. For example, with select first name last name salary from employees order by salary descending limit 3 is a basic limit. Select first name last name salary from employees order by salary descending limit 5 offset 10 has a limit with offset. Always use order by with limit to ensure consistent and predictable results. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.